What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at Sony's Linkbuds S. Now I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to purchase these yourself, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links when making a purchase because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. And I'd also love to give Sony a huge shout out for sponsoring this video and sending these buds out to me so I could do this review for you guys today. These earbuds also come in a couple different colors. There's black, white, and blue. They're also supposed to be the lightest buds on the market with active noise cancellation. They use Bluetooth version 5.2. The codec they use is SPC, AAC, and LDAAC. They do not have aptX. They use IPX4, which is sweat and water resistant. They also have 5mm drivers and a V1 processor, and that's going to give you dynamic sound and excellent ANC. They also have touch controls for play and pause, skip and reverse tracks, answering phone calls, and Alexa or Google Voice assistants. And like I said before, these do have active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and all of the cool Sony features like speak to chat, wear detection, and adaptive sound control. Now, as far as battery life goes, you can get up to 6 hours on a single charge and an additional 14 hours using the charging case. It also has fast charge capability. A 5-minute charge will give you about an hour of playtime, and there's also an app that's available for Android and iOS that lets you customize the EQ settings and play with some of the other features. Now, the case itself does not have wireless charging, and you can't pair two devices at the same time with these earbuds. So I will be showing you how these connect, how all the features work and how well they do work, and letting you know if these earbuds are worth your time, so definitely stick with me for the whole video. But first, let's go and see what you get inside the box. So they come in this really nice little box here that simply just opens up just like that, and here we have our earbuds, our nice little case. Everything's compartmentalized, which is pretty nice. So here we have all of our manuals. Here we have a little USB-A to USB Type-C cable for charging. And then here we have some extra tips for the earbuds. Now, I strongly recommend that you try out each and every one of these sizes because fit is very important, especially for the active noise cancellation. So unless you're super confident that these fit perfectly, I would go and try these different sizes just to get the perfect fit for you. All right, so here is the case itself. It's got a nice kind of rough finish to it. It is nice and light. On the back here, we have our little USB Type-C for charging and a little pairing button. They open up very nice, and as you can see, as soon as I open them up, it's got a little LED to let you know the charging status. The earbud is super light, and as you can see, it's got a little signifier for your ear, so you don't have to guess which ear it's supposed to go in. So here I have my iPhone 14 Pro Max, so we're going to go ahead and pair this up with my phone real quick. So the app you're going to want to download for these earbuds is the Sony Headphones Connect. Once you have that downloaded, we'll go ahead and open it up. All right, so once you have the app downloaded, we'll go ahead and open it up. We'll get to the Add Device. We'll go ahead and take our earbuds out of the case here. Go ahead and click Next. As you can see, it already found the earbuds. We'll go ahead and tap on that to register. Go ahead and click Next. Linkbud S. All right, so our earbuds are registered. We'll go ahead and click OK. Go ahead and sign in. So if we take a little closer look at the earbud here, as you can see, it's got this little clear piece right here. That is the sensor for the wear detection. So when you take the earbud out of your ear, it stops playing music, and when you put it back in, it starts to play the music again. Okay, so let's go and take a look at the app here. As you can see, it shows the battery level of each earbud as well as the case up top here. We have adaptive sound control, and basically what that does is it adjusts to your environment to take in the best sound. I have that off right now. Here is what's currently playing on my music. If we swipe over, we can go into our sound here. As you can see, we have noise canceling mode, ambient sound mode, and we can also turn that off. We have speak to chat, which is really cool. I've been playing with it probably for the past 10 minutes now. And basically what that does is it allows you to keep it in one of these modes here. Say it was in noise canceling, and say you were on an airplane, somebody was talking to you. If you start to talk, it automatically switches over to ambient sound, so you can then hear and talk to somebody without having to take the earbuds out. It's really cool. And then once you're done talking, it then goes back into noise canceling mode. Here we have the adjustable EQ, which I would definitely encourage everybody to play around with to get the best possible sound for your ears. We have a couple of custom settings, and we have a whole bunch of presets that you can also use as well. I went ahead and used the custom. Here we have the 360-degree reality audio setup. Basically what it does is it has you take pictures of your ear and then adjusts its sound for the 360-degree reality audio. Here we have the Bluetooth connection quality. You can choose priority for sound or priority for stable connection. Here we have the DSEE Extreme. I have that set to auto. And then we have the spatial sound optimization. You can go ahead and measure that. If we switch over to system here, as you can see, you can use and set up your voice assistant. Here I have Amazon Alexa. You can change the functions of the left and right earbud here. There's a couple presets. There's nothing custom in here other than the presets. So you can choose what each left and right earbud does. Here we have the left to raise the volume and lower the volume on a couple taps. And then our right is the one that controls the play and pause. And again, here's the function. You can change the function of each earbud. Here for the ambient sound, playback, and volume control, or none assigned. And then like I mentioned before, how you want to select the correct tip for your ear because it's very important for the noise canceling to work. Here we have a little app that basically tests whether or not the tip that you chose is a perfect fit for your ear, which is really cool. We have automatic power off, so if you take off the earbuds and you're not using them for a certain amount of time, they can turn off, or you have it set to just have, be on all the time. Here we have audio pauses when headphones are taken off, which I definitely would use. And we have notification and voice guide in English, automatic downloads, and you can also initialize settings. And then here we have some services that you can choose: Spotify, Endel Quick Access, Autoplay, Ingress Prime, Soundscape, and Service Link. All right, so let's go ahead and put the earbuds in and see how they feel. All right, so here they are in my ears. They fit pretty comfortably, and they're pretty low profile. Don't stick out, so that's always nice. And as far as them staying in your ear, they're still in my ear, not coming out, so that's pretty nice. So now we're going to go and test out the sound quality of the earbuds, and I do have the speak to chat on, so it went from noise canceling mode to ambient sound mode when you start to talk, so now I can easily hear my voice or if anybody else was going to talk to me. Now I'm going to go ahead and tap the earbud once to go back into the noise cancellation mode, and then hit it again to start playing the music. So as far as sound quality goes for these earbuds, it is excellent. Bass is also really good. So if you like a nice bassy earbud, these earbuds are definitely going to be right up your alley. There's good separation between the mids and the highs, and there's also those really nice lows. One of the really cool features about these earbuds is the fact that if you're using the speak to chat mode and you're listening to music, if you start to talk, it pauses the music, switches to ambient mode, and then when you stop talking, it goes back to whatever mode you had previously, like I have active noise canceling, goes back to noise canceling, and then continues to play the music again. If you also take the earbuds out of your ears, it stops playing music, and when you put them back in, it starts to play the music again. It's super cool. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to start to play the music, then I'll start to talk, and then I'll stop talking, and it should start playing the music again. Okay, so now it should stop the music. So it just stopped the music. As you can see, it's not playing anymore. Now I'm going to stop talking, and we'll see if the music resumes. So that is definitely convenient. And then here I'll show you, I'll start to play music, I'll take the buds out, and we'll see if the music stops. So as you can see, the music stopped playing when I took one of the earbuds out. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the earbuds back in, and the music should start to play again. Now, if you're curious, if you only put one earbud in your ear, can you still listen to music? And the answer is yes, as long as you're not using that service link. So here I've taken out my left earbud. I have the right one still in, and if I tap it, it should start to play the music. So you can still use one earbud to play music, make phone calls, but the thing is that one earbud still maintains the function that you have it set for. Like I have play and pause on a tap set for the right one. If I put the left bud in without the right one in, I won't be able to use the tap to play and pause anymore. So that's just something to keep in mind. Now, as far as the ambient sound mode goes, the sound quality is really clear. You can easily hear anything that you need to. If somebody was to talk to you, you could easily hear them. There is a slight audible hiss in the background, but it doesn't affect my hearing at all. And the fact that it can switch out of any mode into this ambient sound mode by itself is pretty invaluable, because who wants to keep taking their earbuds in and out of their ear just to talk to somebody? I sure don't. Now, as far as the active noise canceling goes, that's actually pretty good as well. Of course, it's not going to be as good as headphones, but for earbuds, this is probably the best active noise canceling that I've heard. It significantly lowers the ambient noise around you, and if you're listening to music or watching a movie or something, you're definitely not going to hear anything around you. But if you're just using the earbuds to mute out the ambient noise, you might still be able to hear ambient noise slightly. Now I'm going to let you listen to what the audio quality sounds like when you're using earbuds for a phone call coming through another phone. Okay, so this is the audio quality that you can expect when you're talking to somebody on your phone using the earbuds. Then when you're done, you just simply put them back right into the case and they'll start to charge. So now let's go ahead and see how long it takes to connect the earbuds once you take them out of the case and put them in your ear. And they're connected. It's that quick. And as far as the touch gesture goes, they are super sensitive, they work really well, and they work every single time. Now you can also use these earbuds with devices that you can't necessarily download the app for, such as the Nintendo Switch here. You can still listen, and in most cases you can still use the touch gestures. You just won't be able to use the advanced features that the buds support. Now if you want to connect your buds up to other devices, all you need to simply do is put them in the case here, hold in the little button until you see the little LED in the front blink blue. So first we're going to go ahead and open up the case. Then we'll go ahead and hold in that button in the back. So now that it's blinking blue, it is in pairing mode. So we'll go ahead and go into our device here and go to Bluetooth audio, pair device, searching for buds. As you can see, Linkbud S, so we'll go ahead and select that. And we are connected. As you can see, it shows Linkbud S. So now you can use your buds when you're playing your Nintendo Switch or any other device that you want. So as far as the touch gestures with the Nintendo Switch, the volume still works with my left bud. You can't really do anything with the right because it's just play and pause. So it's not going to just play and pause the game, but you can still use the volume up and down with the left bud. I'll let you listen to the sound. So that is pretty cool. You can use your buds with pretty much anything that has Bluetooth connectivity and have limited touch gestures. But if you can't download the app, you will have limited functionality of all those other cool features, but at least you can still use them. Now the question is, would I recommend these earbuds? And I would definitely say yes. There's a lot of great things going for them. They have excellent sound. Again, those lows are some of the best that I've heard from earbuds versus headphones. Active noise canceling works really well. Touch gestures are really on point. They're very comfortable in your ear. And again, the fact that they can switch out of any mode into that ambient mode is priceless, especially if you travel a lot on planes. Again, I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Later.